we'll just go through this once again and then we'll start solving the problem. I am solving a gratuity, okay, for covered under Gratuity Act of 1972. Maximum limit is 20 lakhs. Actual gratuity, we have to check how we have to solve it. Okay, actual gratuity received, what will be given in the question, 15 days. Okay, and then the least is exempt, that is taxable gratuity, actual gratuity received minus exempted gratuity, the least among this. And how to calculate, take into consideration the salary over here. Okay, this salary, how we have to take it, basic salary plus DA, that is journey's allowance. Okay, salary means, okay, salary of the month preceding, this is preceding the month of retirement is taken. 15 days salary, this how we have to calculate. Once we calculate the salary for the month, 15 days divided by 26 days. Okay, so period of 6 months and more than 6 months is taken as full year. For example, 29 years 6 months will be taken as 30 years. Now we will understand the problem. Okay, one problem for this, okay, concept. Mr. Franklin, working in Lena Limited, retired from the service on 31/12/2019 and got gratuity of 8 lakhs at the time of retirement. He was, okay, getting a basic salary of 20,000 per month and DA of 10,000. 75% enters into retirement benefit. So this is covered. Okay, it has served he has served 29 years 8 months. So we have to take 30 years over here. The payment is covered under Gratuity Act of 1972. Compute is taxable and exempted amount of gratuity for AY 2021. Okay, we have to, okay, solve this. Okay, now what will be the thing we have to calculate first? We have to calculate first salary. How the salary will be calculated? Basic plus DA. Basic salary he is getting 20 and DA he is getting, okay, 10,000 per month. So 30,000 per month he is getting. So 15 days salary, that is salary for the month, that is what, 30,000. Okay, 15 divided by 26, this is in a formula itself. 15 divided by 26 is in a formula. So 17,308 will be a 15 days ka salary. So completed years is how much? 29 and 8 months he has given. So we have to take 30 years. So maximum limit is what? 20 lakhs. This is in the format itself. Actual gratuity received, he is receiving how much? 8 lakhs given in the question. This we have calculated above. That is what? 17,308 into 30. Okay, so that will come down to how much? 5,19,240. So what is the least among these three? 5,19,240 is the least. So 5,19,240 we have to take. Okay, is the least exam. So what is the formula for taxable gratuity? Actual minus least, that is exempted. Least is nothing but exempted. Least is only exempted. So 2,80,760 is the answer. This is 5 marks problem as well as the solution for you. Okay, clear? In the next video, I'll be sending you format for the non-government employee not covered under the Gratuity Act of 1972. Please solve this problem which I'll be sending it now. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me in a Zoom class. Okay, thank you students.